Welcome back to Google Guru. If you're a Google Apps admin, if you haven't already run into this situation, you'll probably need to update your directory in bulk at some point. For example, let's say you're an admin for a Google Apps for EDU domain, and you need to reclassify a group of students as juniors instead of sophomores as an org unit. So today I'm going to show you how to update your directory in bulk using FlashPanel. So we're going to click on the More drop down at the top of your screen and select FlashPanel. Then we'll go to this Tools tab at the top, then User Tools, and Update Users. So when this window appears, you'll have these 3 steps that you need to follow. So the first step is export users to a spreadsheet. So I'll click on that, and then return to my mail inbox. Now I'll open up Drive, and I'll see this new spreadsheet that appears with the title User Directory and then the date. So I'll open that up, and this is my user directory spreadsheet. So I have all my users in this column here, and then a number of columns that fill out certain information within FlashPanel and therefore Google Apps. So there's directions at the top to make sure that you update your directory correctly, but I'm just going to show you one of the basic ways you can update your directory. So I'm going to scroll over here to the org unit column, and let's say I want to switch all of my users with the org unit executive to the org unit sales. So I can actually use the keyboard shortcut Control H to find and replace. So in the Find field, I'll type in executive and replace with sales. Then I'll click Replace All and done. So as you can see, all of those fields that said executive now say sales. So when I'm done making my changes to the user directory, go back into FlashPanel and select the spreadsheet that I just used. Then I'll click this little box right here so I get an email notification when the update is complete. And then I'll click Update Users. So when the update's complete, I'll get this email here. I can go back into FlashPanel and go to my directory and users and see that Albert Einstein, who was formerly in the org unit executive, is now in the sales org unit. And this applies to all of these individuals down here. So that's how you update your directory in bulk using FlashPanel. It's a lot easier than going into the control panel and updating users individually. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment in the section below the video. Thanks.